Hello everybody and welcome back. Before we start, can I ask you to hit that subscribe button below? It'll help out the channel and I'll be very grateful. Okay, let's start. Right, today I'm going to create a dictionary. So names is equal to, and I'm going to enter in some keys and values. So Joe here. Joe is a policeman. Okay, so Joe is a policeman there. And Paul is a chef. Okay, so there we go. So that's our dictionary, and now we're going to create a function where we're going to add a new item to this dictionary. So here comes the function, and I'm going to call it add new item. So if anybody looks at that, they'll know what it's all about. It's very clear. Okay, so I'm going to create now a variable called new item, and it's going to be equal to names dot keys. Okay, so names dot keys, and I'm going to type it out, print new item. Okay, now I'm going to update the dictionary, so I'm going to start with names, and I'm going to say Mr. X. Okay, so that's the first value that we're going to put into there. Is equal to, and his job, he's a playboy. Okay, so Mr. X is a playboy. Right, before we go on any further, I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to import a module called time, and you'll see what time is all about in a minute. Okay, so we're importing the module time here. Okay, back down to here. So now we're going to print, let's have a look, print, say, updating dictionary. And this is where we're going to use the time module. So I'm going to say time.sleep, which will give it a pause, and I'm going to put 1 second, so it will actually look like it's updating the database. And then we're going to print out the new database, which should have the new values in it. So print new item. Okay, now as always, you've got to call a function. So I'm going to call it by add new item. Okay, so we're going to call the function there, add new item. We're just going to save it here, and now we're going to run the program. And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So this was the original one, Joe and Paul. Okay, now we've updated the keys here, so we've got Joe, Paul and Mr. X here. Joe, Paul and Mr. X. And there you go. So I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.